Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On a previous video, I have a countertop that has been destroyed by some cleaning products. I tried using Rejuvenate, which made it look great for like 2 days. And then it was back to destroyed again. So I've given up on trying to fix it with waxes and oils. And I'm just going to use a can of clear spray paint. We're going to see how well that'll work. So this is a satin finish. Rust-Oleum bonds to plastic, so it should stick to this. Let's paint it and see what it looks like. This is sort of my last-ditch effort to not have to replace the countertop. I was about to just tear this out of here and start over, but I thought since when it's wet, it looks okay. Maybe if you paint it with clear paint, then it would stay that way. So I'm going to come back and check on it tomorrow and see what it looks like. When you're applying the spray paint to your countertop, it's a good idea to tape off the sink and the mirrors so you don't get overspray on anything around your counter. Okay, I waited a full week, and this is what it looks like. I've done 2 coats of this clear Rust-Oleum with the satin finish, and it has filled in all the little cracks and given it a new top coat, and it looks basically just as good as new. So this is a good way to finish this. The waxing and the oiling products only last a day or 2, so this seems like a better way to go. Now, is it going to be the fix for the next 10 years? I don't know. This may wear off after a while. I'll have to come back and apply another coat, but 1 can of this would be enough to do many countertops. So I've done 2 coats. I might go ahead and put a third one on here since I'm here, but after 2 coats, it looks fantastic. I hope you found this helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.